Bob.
Now the news. Top scientists have predicted by the end of the century the sea levels will rise by 65 centimetres. Here's a professor I found earlier.
I predict that the sea levels will rise by 65 centimetres at the end of the next century.
This will have catastrophic effects on many places, including Thailand.
Bum bum bum!
This is what Thailand looks like before the floods. This is what Thailand looks after the floods. This means lots of buildings in Thailand will be destroyed and washed away by the floods. This is a reconstruction.
Go.
As you can see, this will affect people's livelihoods a lot. Here's an Italian living in Bangkok. Let's see what he thinks.
Oh no, this is not good. My house will flood. I will have nothing left. What am I going to do? Oh.
However, not everyone thinks this is a bad thing. Here's an interview with someone who thinks this is a very good opportunity.
Oh yeah, I think this is a great idea. I mean, this would be great. I can like swim around and surf around Bangkok and it's like, oh look, there's a building, there's another building, and then there's water on the floor. That's cool.
Thank you, Mr. Surfer Guy. Now over to the weather with Andy.
Weather by me, Andrew Lewis. In Great Britain, you will need lots of sun cream because it is going to be nice and hot for the rest of the week, while over in Thailand, you will get very wet and your houses might get washed away by rain. Lots of it.
Thank you, Andy, for the weather. That's all for tonight.
Bob.